Hello everyone! Welcome back, and today's lesson will be on proportions. We will be learning how to solve for x and how to determine if two ratios are proportional. You might be thinking, proportionate? Well, yeah, proportionate means equal. Solving a proportion is seeing if two ratios, x over y, are equal or finding the value that makes them equal. So, in a simple proportion setup, x over y and a over b are the ratios, and the equal sign shows proportionality. Or the unequal sign, or this, could show unproportionality. If you see this sign with x and y and a over b instead of your normal equal sign, this says, hey, these two ratios aren't proportional or equal. However, if that line is gone and it's a regular equal sign, yeah, the proportionals are equal. So that's what proportionate is. So our first task is to solve for x. Our equation is 3 over 25 equals 9 over x. How are we going to solve it? Well, we're going to cross multiply. I've shown you how to do this before. We would have 3 times x and 9 times 25. This would give us 3x equals 25 times 9, or 225. Now, we would treat 3x equals 225 like a regular equation. Divide both sides by 3, and if we do the long division here, 3 goes into 22 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. 22 minus 21 is 1, and then drop the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Minus 15 is a clean 0, so x equals 75. Now, if we want to check that x really does equal 75, we have to make sure these two are proportional or equal. The way we would see if these are proportional is by cross multiplying. And this is how you check if any proportion is equal. So we would do 25 times 9 and 75 times 3, or 3 times 75. So 75 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1, 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. So we have 225 for this. So 225 equals, and 25 times 9, well, 5 times 9 is 45, carry the 4, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 4 is 22, so this is also 225. And 225 does equal 225, so this proportion is equal. Let's look on the other side of the spectrum. What if I got something like 74 instead of 75? Well, in order to check my answer and see if it's equal, I would cross multiply the 3 and the 74 and the 9 and the 25. We already learned that 25 times 9 is 225. So we'd have that here. And if we did 74 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1, 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 74 times 3 is 2, 2, 2. Not 225. So these two are unequal, making these two proportions not equal. So 74 is not the right answer. Now, I want you to try. Do 6 over 17 equals 30 over x. And check by seeing if your ratios are proportionate, like how I taught you. Good luck! Now, let's make sure you got your equation right. Step 1 you should have done is cross multiply. If you did 6 times x equals 6x, and 30 times 17 is 510, which you made into step 2, your equation. 6x equals 30 times 17, 510, which leads you into step 3, solving your equation. You divide both sides by 6 as you're treating it like a real algebraic equation. When you divided 510 by 6, you would get x equals 85. Or you should. And then step 4, check. You would replace your x with 85 and do 6 times 85 and 30 times 17. You would remember from earlier that 30 times 17 is 510. So your goal for 85 times 6 is also 510 as well. And when you did 85 times 6, you would see that you got 510 as an answer, meaning that x equals 85 is the correct answer. Anyway, I will see you next time, and up next is percents, part 2, because we're not done with percents just yet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to tune in for the next math tutorial. Bye!